Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And first of all, thank you so much for showering so much love on my this video. And so I'm back to answer all your different queries in this single video, where I believe every one of you were trying to ask the same question, which is to choose between the course or college. So let's begin the video. Before starting the video, I would say that I had divided this video into three categories precisely. First would be the course or subject that you are studying or that you want to study. Okay, you are interested in study. Second would be the faculty of the college that you are choosing, and third would be my personal experience and what I chose. Like, people were interested, they want to know that which college I graduated from, so I would be telling you my story as well. So let's begin. So first thing was, there are different courses that Delhi University offers you, and you can choose any of the course depending upon in which course you are interested in. It doesn't matter that you have studied it before or not. What you have to do is just go on, the university list, because I think that would be the best way to look out for all the courses that are mentioned, and then you can go and check their syllabus. It is very important to go through the syllabus, because you know you are interested upon in psychology. They teach you so much things and movies and stuff, so आपको बहुत different चीज़ें मन करता है. You are keen to learn about psychology and human behavior and stuff like that, but that doesn't mean कि psychology when you are studying आपको उतनी appealing लगे, because Delhi University के mostly courses are theoretical, and theory is not the forte of every student. Okay, everyone is different, so best thing is to go and look out for the syllabus. Again, अगर आपको economics पसंद है, I precisely give example for economics and maths because I am related to things. So अगर आपको economics और maths पसंद है up till 11th to 12th, तो ऐसा कोई compulsion नहीं है कि आपको college में भी उतना interest है economics और maths पढ़ने में. So it's better to look out for the syllabus for the same. After looking out for the syllabus, the second thing I would suggest you is to go out and look for the faculty for the college that you are applying for, because again faculty plays an important role. See, in college every student is on their own. No one will be on your head to study something, to submit your projects, your assignments and stuff like that. So if your faculty, if you are, the teachers who are teaching you, you do not have a good rapport with them, you do not find interesting what they are teaching, they are least interested in stuff like that, you will not be motivated to attend classes or do your projects and stuff, and ultimately you will be losing out on your marks, because at the end in Delhi University everything will be related to your marks. And if the faculty is good, you'll be attending classes, you will be submitting your assignments, your projects, you'll be taking your internals on time, you will be interested in joining societies that a particular faculty is the head of. So things like that, and which will again help you in many different ways, in your personality development, in your college score overall and stuff like that. So look out for the faculty. And the third thing would be, if you are just facing a dilemma between two subjects, you are loving both the subjects, you are loving the syllabus they are teaching, then I would suggest, then you should just go and look out for the college, because I think that will be a great deal. Again, मैं colleges के name नहीं ले रही हूँ about Delhi University, because I do not want to hurt any sentiments कि यार ये below average का example देके मेरा college बोला, average का example देके मेरा, ऐसे करके I do not want to hurt any sentiments, so I am not taking names. But you can ask me in the DM of my Instagram. I'll be linking everything in the description, and you can directly comment me. I reply to every comment, I believe. The last thing that I was talking about, my personal experience. Okay, so you need to know this. when you will be getting your degree out of college, it will be a paper that will say University of Delhi, Simran Ahuja, and I studied economics honors and my division and stuff like that. Nowhere, nowhere on the degree the college name would be printed. So that's why I chose course above college. The only reason because I was interested in that subject. The faculty was good, and I had my set goals in mind that I do not want to do job after my graduation, because I believe placements again play an important role when you are in a college. So if you want to do a job, if you want to do a lot of internships through college, like ऐसा नहीं है that if you are in below average college or an average college you will not get internships. Interns are hired like this, okay, because it's free work and every company wants to hire interns. That is what I have learned. So every company will hire, but there are like different internships fair and stuff that my college did offer. The faculty was good, and I chose course above college for that simple reason. And I was in Rajdhani College, University of Delhi. If you are currently in Rajdhani College, or if you have taken admission in Rajdhani College, you will not find me there anywhere because I have graduated this year. I do not know that which college I will be joining after that, but yeah, I have graduated. You will not find me there. So yeah, but you know, when people ask me for advice that Didi or Simran, hey Simran, which college should I choose, which course should I choose? See, I can only give you advice of my personal experience and what things I have been through and stuff like that. Things, happens differently with different people. So I believe I can only offer you advice, but the last decision should be your own call. You should not just rely on someone else to make a decision for you. You are an adult, so just think wisely and select a college wisely, because it will be not just 3 but your whole life. Yeah, it will be your whole life, because the personality will, the personality, everything, your friends, your peers, everything, so on, would be from that college. So I think choose wisely the course and the college, and before that set your goals, then look for the syllabus, the faculty, and then opt for a college. I will meet you guys hopefully next Monday. But the last thing I want to say is, if you have any query, you can comment down below. I will definitely answer. But if it's like urgent, you just looked out of on my video and you want an answer right now, DM me on the Instagram page. I will make a separate Instagram for the YouTube, but right now you can just DM me on the available Instagram, and I will see you guys hopefully next Monday. I don't know, maybe in a week, maybe during this week, but because I'm just starting this Delhi University series, because I believe with 4th and 5th list coming out, this is when students plan to settle on to colleges, when the migration actually stops. So I thought that this would be the best time to post a video. I will be posting 2 to 3 more videos related to Delhi University within these 2 weeks. So make sure you check out that as well before actually finalizing your college. And just like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye guys.